सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to learn angles in intersecting lines. Already we know that what are intersecting lines. We have seen that in the previous video. Okay, right, look at here. We know that intersecting lines already. Yeah, these are two intersecting line. Consider it is a AB line and it is CD line. Okay, these two lines intersecting at a point O. Okay, and these two lines makes four angles here, where here it is 1 and 2 3 4, isn't it? So what are the angles formed here? Angle BOD, and next first one angle BOD, second one angle AOD, number 3 AOC, number 4 BOC. Okay, or else we can write this also, DOB also we can write, and this we can write DOA also, or this we can write COA also, and this we can write COB also. Okay, so in the alphabet B comes first, that is why I am taking here BOC first. Okay, no need to take like that, you can take in this manner also. Okay, right. So these two lines makes four angles. Okay, so here look at here. So OB is a ray, and OD is a ray, and OC is a ray, and next OA is a ray. Okay, so two lines makes four angle, or I am saying here these four rays makes four angles here. Okay, did you get that? These four rays makes four angles here. Consider it is A, it is B, it is C, it is D. Okay, this one is A, and this one is D, and this one is C, and this one is B. Okay, are you clear with this? Right, look at here. So I'm erasing here. So here angle A and angle C, so they are, angle A and angle C are not adjacent angles. Okay, angle A and angle C are not adjacent angles, as well as they do not have common ray. Okay, what is that? First one is they are not adjacent angles, and second one is they do not have any common ray. It means common arm. Okay, so then they are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, if you see this, A and C are opposite angles. Okay, first of all they are opposite angles because they are having opposite sides, both are either sides. Okay, okay, vertical they called as vertically opposite angles, right? So generally we call them vertical angles also. Vertical angles sometimes may call opposite angles also. Okay, when do we say they are vertical opposite angles? Remember the two conditions: they do not have common ray, and they are must not be adjacent angles. Okay, is it clear? Right, so here A and C are vertical opposite angles. So do we have any other pair here? Yes, we have another pair also, that is B and D also. Okay, finally what we can say? So A and C comma B and D are vertically opposite angles. Okay, is it clear? Right. So angle A is nothing but what is that? BOD, angle BOD comma angle AOC. These two are vertically opposite angles. Okay, and next angle BOC comma angle AOD, they are called vertically opposite angles. Okay, right. Based on these vertical opposite angles we have a theorem. Right, I'm going to write here. Yeah, so I will give the statement here first. Yeah, this is the theorem statement. If two lines intersect each other, then the pairs of vertical opposite angles thus formed are equal. Simply he is saying that vertically opposite angles are equal. Yeah, this is the theme of this theorem. Okay, simply we can say vertically opposite angles are equal. Right, we shall solve here proof. Okay, right. So I'm going to give the proof for this statement. Right, first of all take, so I'm giving here, these are two lines. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So AB is a line, CD is a line intersecting at O. Okay, here four angles are formed. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. What are the angles we have? So what is given first? I'm giving the proof here. This is a theorem, that is I'm writing the proof. Yeah, so given two lines intersecting at a point O. Okay, and okay, right. So what we have then? The two lines makes four angles, that is they are vertically opposite angles. Is it clear? They are vertically opposite angles. That is, what are the vertical opposite angles we have? Right, AOC comma BOC comma BOD comma AOD. Right, I'm starting from here. AOC, BOC, BOD and AOD are four angles, and in that AOC and BOD, these two are vertically opposite angles and these two are vertically opposite angle, isn't it? So what we have to prove? Yeah, required to prove. What we have to prove? So AOC, angle AOC is equals to angle BOD and angle BOC is equals to angle AOD we have to prove. Is it clear? So we have to prove vertically opposite angles are equal, that is nothing but AOC is equals to BOD and BOC is equals to AOD we have to prove. Okay, right. Yeah, I'm erasing this. So remember what we have to prove. Yeah, I will write here. We have to prove first one. AOC is equals to BOD, and second one BOC is equals to AOD. Okay, right. So I am going to use here linear pair axiom. Linear pair axiom. What is the linear pair axiom? Right. If a ray stands on a straight line or on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, isn't it? If a ray stands on a straight line, then the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. So I am going to use this concept here. Okay, by this axiom we prove the theorem here. Okay, right, look at here. So OA is a ray stands on a line CD, isn't it? OA is a ray, that ray stands on a CD line. Is it clear? Right. What are the angles formed here? Right, now AOC, the adjacent angles are now AOC and AOD. Okay, so the adjacent angles so formed are AOC comma AOD. Is it clear? So this OA ray stands on a CD line, so that angles formed here AOC and AOD are called adjacent angles. The sum of that AOC plus AOD, okay, what is that? So they are adjacent angles and their sum is angle AOC plus angle AOD, nothing but it is a straight angle. Okay, nothing but the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. Is it clear? It is equation 1 consider. Right, next. Is it clear? Right, next. OD is a ray. OD is a ray and it stands on a line AB bar. Okay, is it clear? So OD is a ray, it is standing on AB line, so that angles so formed are AOD and BOD. So angles AOD comma angle BOD so formed here. Okay, is it clear? So AOD and BOD are now adjacent angles. Is it clear? These two are adjacent angles and this is a straight line and it is a straight angle, nothing but angle AOD plus angle BOD is equals to 180 degrees. Consider it is equation 2. Okay, so this is 180 degrees and this is 180 degrees. So both the RHS are equal. What we can say? We can write here LHS also equal, isn't it? If the both RHS are equal, we can write LHS also equal. Is it clear? Right, so what we can write? From 1 and 2, both the RHS equal, then LHS also equal. Is it clear? So right. So what we can write? So I'll write once again here. So remember this equation. So I'll write the statement line. Okay, AOD BOD. So look at here. So AOD plus BOD is equals to 180 degrees. So RHS are equal, then we can equal the LHS also. Okay, right. So that we can write AOC plus AOD. So RHS both are 180. So this LHS is AOC plus angle AOD, that is equals to angle AOD plus angle BOD, isn't it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Right. So now both sides AOD gets cancelled. What are the remaining? Angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. Is it clear? Right. So this is nothing but angle AOC comma angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. We know that already. So we got here they are equal. This is first one is proved. Okay. So therefore vertically opposite angles equal. So similarly we can prove. So we can write here directly. Similarly we can prove angle BOC is equals to angle AOD. Okay, this is nothing but again we can write vertically opposite angles. OPP is nothing but opposite angles are equal. We can write like this or we can prove also. Okay, so this is not a right thing, so that is why I am giving the complete solution here. Okay, so right, so this is not enough to write, so we can write like that, but I am not writing here, I am giving the complete proof here. Okay, right. So second thing, this is the proof I am writing. Right. So we prove the second one in detail here. Right. So what we have to prove? We have to prove angle BOC equals to angle AOD. Okay. Right. So take a OB ray. OB is a ray. It stands on a line. Yeah, OB stands on CD line. Is it clear? Right. So the so formed angles, what are the angles? BOC comma BOD, angles formed. Okay, and they are adjacent angles, isn't it? So BOC and BOD are adjacent angles. Okay, right. So sum of this BOC and BOD is nothing but 180 degrees, that is nothing but straight angle. Okay, is it clear? So by the linear axiom, linear pair of axiom also, the sum of these two angles is 180 degrees, because if a ray stands, what is the linear pair axiom actually? If a ray stands on a straight line, then the sum of two adjacent angles are 180 degrees. Okay, so by that property, angle BOC plus angle BOD is equals to 180 degrees. Consider it is equation 3. Next we take a OD ray. OD ray is a ray, OD is a ray, and it stands on AB line. Okay, what are the angles form? BOD comma AOD angles formed here, isn't it? BOD and AOD angles formed, so they are adjacent angles. Okay, is it clear? So what we can write? That is angle BOD plus we can write angle BOD plus angle AOD is equals to 180 degrees. It is equation 4 consider. Okay, so what we got? So let us write the two equations. So what is the equation 3? Angle BOC plus angle BOD is equals to 180 degrees. This is equation 3. And equation 4, angle BOD plus angle AOD is equals to 180 degrees. It is equation 4, right? So if you observe, in equation 3 and 4, the RHS are equal, isn't it? RHS are equal, then we can equal the LHS, isn't it? Is it clear? Right, both the RHS are equal, that is why I am writing both the LHS equal. Angle BOC plus angle BOD, this is angle BOC plus angle BOD is equals to angle BOD plus angle AOD. Okay, right, look at here, angle BOD gets cancelled. What is remaining? Angle BOC is equals to angle AOD. These two are nothing but angle BOC and angle AOD. These two are vertically opposite angles, and we got here they are equal, isn't it? Is it clear? Yeah, we got they are equal. So this is also proved. So finally what we can write? In the earlier I have written while starting this problem. What is that? So from this theorem, vertically opposite angles are equal. Yeah, is it clear? Right, so hence the theorem is proved here. Okay, right.